So hello everyone, welcome back to another lessons on machine learning hands-on. So in these lessons, so this is lecture number 6. So in these lessons, we are going to write or we are going to do some more exercises. Like an exercises is about write a program to impute missing numerical value in a specific column. Suppose column name is age, by filling them with the mean value. Okay, so previously we have already seen how to remove the value. Okay, or already imputing means just filling the value. Okay, and filling the value based on certain criteria, and you could assign some hard coded value, or maybe you can dynamically assign some value based on some statistical informations like mean value. Okay, so in this case we are going to update the same data set. Okay, so the idea is simple. So this is a simple line of code. I just imported the library, set the file name, file path, and then loading the file. Okay, so this one is done. Okay, so now after, let's see the some detailed information. So let's suppose I want to update this value age. Okay, so first I want to check how the data look like inside for age. Okay, so age, and then this one I want to get some values. Okay, so let's run this. Okay, so you can see these are value, and some of the value is none means this is called missing value, or sometimes it's a n means no value available. Okay, so we want to update this value, and how we want to update this value? Filling them with the mean value. Okay, so how many total value we have? So for checking that how many is null value. Okay, so how we can do that? So let me copy here, or maybe I think you already know, like that, and that is called is null. Okay, and then after you have to call sum. Okay, so it will count number of null value of this column age. Okay, so 177 to total 177 value has none. Okay, so we want to update all this with the help of mean of this age. Okay, so what is the mean of age? How we can calculate the mean? So okay, sorry, I think I have already done this one. Okay, so you can see this one is mean, and if you want to do round off, it will be sorry. So if do round off here, just calling a round function and then pass it and just running it again here. Okay, so why we are not able to type something? Okay, sorry, hard. Okay, so it's a 30. So now we are going to update all the null value, empty value with 30. Okay, and in the same data set. We are not going to create separate database. Obviously you can create, but we are going to use the same. Okay, so how we can do that? So syntax is, first we have to call column names, so age. Okay, and then we are going to call the function called fill na. Okay, and then inside complete these functions. Okay, then inside we are going to call, so this one we needed, right? So we need this. Okay, so I'm going to copy, or it should be round off, right? So let's going to copy everything, and here I'm going to paste. Okay, so this one, and now also we are going to update to same data set. Okay, we are not going to create different data set, because else we'll going to return some value. Okay, so how we can do that? So in updating the same data set, you have to call in place equal to true. Okay, fine, and then done this one. Okay, so so you are getting some warning, so even 3.0 some changes are there, but you don't have to worry about that. So it's this is some deprecated function like that. Okay, but let's check how many null value we have after updating this one. Okay, so I'm going to run after that. Okay, so there is 0, and if you want to check the value, what is value? So how we can do that? Just call this, and then now the value should be updated. Okay, so you can see all things are replaced with what was our updated value. This was a 30. Okay, so the first none value empty value is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth number. Okay, so see, sixth number is updated or not with, the value should be updated with 30. Okay, so you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6, this one. Okay, so also the rest of the thing you can reconfirm. Okay, so this was a simple program. Okay, so how we update values. So again, you see, this one is for mean, right? So again you can update with median. Okay, so I don't think that we have to create some, just we have to read the conditions or questions what is mentions. Oh, sorry, where was we? Okay, so we were here. Okay, so instead of mean you can call median. Okay, I think this value is already updated. Okay, so I don't think we'll get the value, so let me run it again. Okay, so still 27. Okay, so now we are going to call median. Okay, so update here. Fine, so now is 28. Again we have to call this one. This is also median. Okay, so run this one, again this one. Now this one, it should be 0, right, because all are already placed imputed, and this one is okay. So you can see it will be 28. Okay, so just based on the which method you have to call, you can get the idea. Okay, so this was the very basic program for updating any column. So maybe you can call any columns. Okay, and if you want to update similarly, you can do that way. Okay, so that's all everyone for this video. Let's meet in another one for some another exercises in machine learning. Okay, so if you like this video, also please also do like and subscribe, and you can also leave a comment down below if you have some doubts or we want to I need to cover some more specific questions, so you can also comment down below. Okay, I will try to cover in coming video. Okay, so thank you so much for watching.